Is project-based learning right for you? Something different usually does raise questions. Imagine facilitating a project where students' curiosity leads them on a learning expedition through several disciplines to solve a real-world problem.
I think that project-based learning is it's a way of teaching and learning that's much more creative and self-expressive, and it helps you obtain information more because a lot of it's hands-on and it's really fun and it's a really cool way to learn.
To me, it's putting the work that you do, actually applying it to your life, actually doing projects that you would be having to face in your real life, and not just learning about it and saying, if you do this. It's a great way to learn. It's more, for me, because I'm more of a interactive learner. Like, I have to do something to actually get how to do it, and to do it I have to fail sometimes just to get it right at the end. So project-based learning, that's pretty much what it is. You learn about something, you may get a lecture or two, but then you actually do what you're learning, and it's easier to understand how to do it after you've done it yourself.
In project-based learning, there is a lot of critiquing, so when your classmates or the teachers, they critique your work, you can't get mad. You just have to try to remodel it so you can make it better and it will look good.
It's everything combined. Like, you don't have separate classes because you learn everything at one time. It's like you just relate it to one thing. So the building we did, that could be related to science and measurements. And writing your steps out could be related to language arts, and the background of ramps and history and all that other stuff could be related to history. It helped me understand learning more. It put all of my learning together as one, so it wouldn't be as hard to comprehend.
The project-based learning is not something that you settle for. You literally work for your best.
Would those results make you feel better as an educator? Well, you're here to learn about another tool to add to your arsenal of teaching strategies. Applying this process will help your students engage in real-world challenges, topics they really may understand and care about, and take them on as structured projects. You will encourage them to develop questions about that project, then develop the answer, then challenge the answer until it morphs into an actionable solution. You will help them learn about that project so well that they will effectively do presentations to others to present their findings and to initiate suggestive actions in solving the real-world challenge. You will be guiding your students on a pathway to becoming an impactful citizen in their community. Well, you just got an idea of what project-based learning is all about. Project-based learning is a systematic teaching method that engages students in learning important knowledge and 21st century skills through an extended student-influenced inquiry process structured around complex, authentic, and carefully designed products and learning skills. Okay, I'll back off. Are you okay? Let's break it down again. A project is simply a rigorous learning experience, but don't say that to your students. The length of the project can vary, and students are always learning as they progress through finding solutions to the project. The project has typical phases, like a good book. There's a beginning, there's a middle, and there's an end. And keep in mind, a project can take on many forms. Feel more confident now? Great! Have an open mind. Understanding how this process works is as dynamic as the process itself. But rest assured, Richland District 2 is committed to supporting you through this unique educational strategy. So let's get started. Welcome to Project-Based Learning.